My name is Trisha Schultz, and I am a pre-service teacher in the art education program at Eastern Michigan University. Today I will be doing a demonstration on how to mix realistic skin tone colors in acrylic paint. For this task, we will have to reflect on prior knowledge of use of the color wheel. We'll be using our primary colors, blue, red, and yellow, along with white, to mix together to make neutral colors, which is our skin tones. The first step is you will need to gather your supplies. You will need ultramarine blue, yellow, red, and white in artist acrylic paints, a small paintbrush, a palette, something to cover your table with, and a napkin to wipe off your brush. A starting point for mixing redder skin tones will usually be 1 part blue, 1 or 2 parts red, and 2 parts yellow. To go darker, add blue. To go lighter, add white and yellow. For reference, use either a photograph or skin tone swatches to match colors. It is helpful to mix 2 small piles of the base color, so that way for one pile to go darker you can add more blue, and the other pile to go lighter you can add more white or white and yellow. This is because you don't want to go from light to dark or dark to light within the same pile, because then it will really distort your color and make it like this grayish, light blue, weird color instead of skin tone color. A starting point for darker skin tones will be a base of 2 parts blue, 1 part yellow, and 1 part red. To go darker, add more blue. For lighter shades of the darker skin tones, do 1 part blue, 1 part yellow, and 1 part red. To continue going lighter, you can add white. You will notice I'm constantly grabbing more paint with my paintbrush just to get the right color. For mixing skin tones, the key is to use your knowledge of complementary colors. Is your mixture looking too purple? Add its complementary, yellow. Looking too orange? Add blue. Looking too green? Add red. For lighter skin tones, for your base coat, you're going to want to add 1 part red, 2 parts yellow, and white, or even more white. To go lighter, keep adding more whites. To go darker, do 1 part red, 2 parts yellow, and 1 part blue. One thing to note is that there are no 2 of the same skin colors. Each person has their own unique skin color. This is the focus of Angelica Dass in her project Human Eye, thus making it so with any skin tone mixing tutorial you'll ever get, there will never be a one-size-fits-all. You will get an approximate guide, and that can help you get there, but you're really going to need to rely on those reference photos. Here I started adding more red to reflect the pink color in the boy's cheeks. Now it's your turn. First, using skin tone palettes for reference, create at least 20 different shade splotches and jot down notes as to how you got there. Next, pick any 3 photographs to work from, each person differing in skin tone colors. For each person, create a value study scale with 7 to 10 values, as I have done.